रहेंगी, तुम दुनिया की हर चीज तो नहीं कर सकते हो, but try and experiment a lot, right? So first year I was very clear I can get into investment banking and I would have cracked it and I would have got into finance. But I started going to startup events. I started talking to entrepreneurs. I thought I could really relate to them. And that's when I realized कि my interest finance में तो है, आज भी है, लेकिन business में ज़्यादा है, right? Like I would like to do finance of my own business versus do only finance, right? So then I started my own startup, end of first year. Last 2 years of college, I was running my own startups. And how does this all happen, right? You talk to a lot of people. So if you are in first year or second year or even third year, go talk to people, right? Like talk to people in events. And I suggest not to go to all events. That's also a mistake. There are a lot of stupid events. So choose the quality of event according to the people who are attending them. Okay. And talk to people. जैसे ये platform है अभी. So you guys should talk to each other because you all are interested in consulting. So maybe somebody has a view, versus another. So basically, not all of you in consulting, like whichever field you want, right? So go talk to people, ping people on LinkedIn. So for example, you want to understand कि मान लो फाइनेंस कैसे काम करता है, इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग, फाइनेंस इज अ वेरी ब्रॉड फील्ड, तो किसी इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकर को मैसेज करो और हाय हेलो हाउ आर यू मत लिखो, दैट इज द वर्स्ट थिंग यू कैन डू. बी वेरी वेरी डायरेक्ट, specify why you are asking the question, what you are asking the question, what's your background and what's your question. Be direct. So now quickly coming to, because I don't want to again do a monologue, in terms of side courses, why I was stressing on all this is you have to do it continuously. It's not one course kara khatam ho gaya, CFA kara khatam ho gaya. You have to continuously learn, right? And the more practical work you do, the better. Now let us probably split this. Okay, let me go through the questions. Lot of questions. Uh, Commerce guy get into consulting after graduation. So one is consulting. I'm just noting it down, okay? मार्केटिंग में इंटरेस्ट है, किसी को गूगल एनालिटिक्स में इंटरेस्ट है. Somebody asked me, let me know more about you. So I've told what are the necessary skills to get into consulting. So post SRCC, I worked with Bain and Company in consulting, by the way. So 2 years I started up. Now starting up gives you a very strong understanding of business in general, which is obviously helpful in consulting, among having strong problem solving and analytical skills to clear the interviews with the top companies like Bain. So yeah, I did consulting, so we'll touch on that. Then internships, somebody is asking sports. Interesting. Sports analytics. Okay. So for example, if you are interested in sports, since this is a interesting question, right? So what would you do? You know that sports में जैसे sports का एक sports analytics है, जैसे आप sports analytics you are interested in. So I would say, I don't know how you narrowed down to that, but say a cult fit. You all must know about cult fit, right? So cult fit is doing online boxing, online dance classes, online things, right? Then there are other sports startups that you can figure out, right? You just Google them. So go work with them, right? So you will not just understand sports, you will understand how they are doing the business. You will look into their data, do analytics, understand. अब data analytics क्या है? जैसे कल्ट के लिए एनालिटिक्स क्या होगा, वो देखेगा कितने लोग ऑनलाइन आते हैं, कौन से लोग किस किस ज्यादा वर्कशॉप में आते हैं, बॉक्सिंग में ज्यादा लोग आ रहे हैं या कराटे में ज्यादा लोग आ रहे हैं या डांस में ज्यादा लोग आ रहे हैं. उसके बेसिस पे यू टेक बिजनेस डिसीजंस कि मेरे को ये ज्यादा करना चाहिए, या यू थिंक कि हर सबका अलग अलग इंटरेस्ट है तो मैं मल्टीपल चीजें करता हूँ. So basically you just have to experiment. So find companies in the field that you are interested in and go work with them. And genuinely we can cover on how you can get into any company that you want. Obviously, leaving the companies which consider brand name as a must, and I'll tell you why they do that and why you should not feel bad. We'll come to that. कि tier 2 से MBB कैसे नहीं जा सकते. I'll come to that. So I'm doing eco honors, sports हो गया, startups, new ideas, how to go about it. Yeah, ideas, it's just about observation. You need to observe what's happening around you. I spoke to every Uber driver when I was in college that I met, every Swiggy guy. So just be curious, just keep asking questions. So if you guys are here not asking questions, it's not useful. You have to keep asking questions, you have to learn from others' experience. People are very frankly very very happy to guide you, right? Tell me if you want guidance from any one particular person on LinkedIn, I'll tell you how you can get that. But keep asking good questions. That's very important. Okay. So don't ask it like the new ideas and how to go about it. Go work with a startup. You will understand yourself. Okay. I am in BCom honors first year. What interests me, whether it's finance or marketing? Sure. That's a very valid question. It's fine if you don't know. Try both things. Get into finance society also and marketing society also of your college. Do both things. Do both events. You will understand. Go meet people. Talk to people who are in marketing and who are in finance. Understand what their job is like. What do they do on a daily basis? Right? See if you think you like that, and if you think, go intern with them. And also in terms of internships, one very important advice: don't intern for a company. Intern for a person. Don't for a person, rather I would say, like, go work with someone, right? Someone you really think can guide you well. Tell them that I want to work with you wherever they are working, irrespective, like as a personal, because in the end you have to learn from them, right? So you have to go work with people, not companies. Remember that.
So
Okay.
you,
Yeah.
but just in the internship feel like we are talking.
Sure.
Most, if we go for our further education, a lot of institutes do prefer a very big name if you have for internship. Suppose if my friend has done a internship in, suppose, PNG, and if I am doing a internship in,
Your voice broke. Hiral, your voice broke. Can you come into the app again? I can't hear you. But I got your question, Hiral. I can't hear you right now, but I got your question ki how important is brand for an internship versus the experience, right? That's always a question, guys. So, see, very frankly, yes. Companies do expect you do like brand names. So, for example, if you have interned with a Kotak Mahindra Bank, right, it might be preferred over an unknown startup. But what happens is, what did you intern in Kotak Mahindra is the question. Like, you can also intern as a office guy where you are doing photocopies for them. You can work with the CEO of Kotak also. So obviously you can't work with the CEO from at a college level, but you can surely work with the CEO of a startup, right? So when you go for an interview, दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि तुमने एक्सपीरियंस क्या किया. या तो तुम जैक लगाओ. अब तुम्हें कोटक महिंद्रा बैंक में टॉप पोजीशन, कोई बहुत अच्छी इंटर्नशिप ऐसे मिलना बहुत टफ है. जैक चलती है, सिर्फ जैक चलती है. सो यू विल हैव टू approach someone through your family or friend circle or someone on LinkedIn. So obviously you can do cold reach, right? You can definitely try, but it's harder for a brand to get a person who's not experienced. So either you show them कि मैंने ना एक साल खुद गूगल पे पढ़ के. By the way, guys, there is nothing you can't learn yourself. Everything is on Google. You are just not curious enough. In general, people are not curious enough. So, for example, figure out hacks of doing research. For example, a small hack is if you enter .pdf after anything, you will directly get all the research papers on that topic. So if you have to research about something, write .pdf at the end of it, right? So things like these, right? So figure out how do you do research, but the idea is you learn yourself, then approach a company. So again, coming back to Hiral's question, I think if you can get a brand, sure, go ahead and get it. But if you really can't get a very good role in a brand, if you're getting a role where you have to do printouts and do clerical work, then don't do it. Go prefer work for a startup where you do end to end. कि तुम मार्केटिंग देख रहे हो तो तुम उनका पूरा सोशल मीडिया भी संभाल रहे हो, तुम उनकी पार्टनरशिप भी संभाल रहे हो, तुम उनके कस्टमर से भी बात कर रहे हो. ऐसी इंटर्नशिप करो. तुम 2 महीने में इतना सीख जाओगे जितना तुम 2 साल कॉलेज में नहीं सीखोगे, राइट? सो basically that's important, right? Try to paid internships, but the experience matters a lot. But yes, I agree ki, if there is a startup and especially if they're funded, you should ask for money and they should give, right? So what happens is, you guys think ki तुम्हें interview कर रहे हैं लोग. What you forget is you also need to interview people. So you need to ask them good questions. You need to ask them why did they select you if they called you for an interview. That really gives a good impression of you, right? That's a very good question if somebody asks me that, right? Then you can ask them what is it about their company that no other company is doing. So things like these, research about the company before going. I see so many stupid people who apply for internships to my company and then they tell me that they haven't checked out my company itself, right? So you can't go to intern with a Swiggy if you don't know what Swiggy does, right? That's stupidity. So research well, right? So I think that covers your question. Did you understand, Hiral?
Yes, sir, but just one another doubt that I have. So, how can we choose between startups? Like, it's a very big problem when there are some startups that are not, gonna, like, how do I analyze that this startup is gonna be beneficial for
Sure.
me?
No, makes sense. Very good question. Because see what happens is startups across the board होते हैं, ठीक है? जैसे एक कोई नया स्टार्टअप है जो अभी कल शुरू होएगा, ठीक है? उसमें अलग काम होएगा वर्सेस अ सीड फंडेड स्टार्टअप जिनके पास 10 लोग हैं, वर्सेस अ सीरीज ए स्टार्टअप जिसके पास 50 लोग हैं, वर्सेस अ सीरीज डी स्टार्टअप जिसके पास 500 लोग हैं. लोग फ्लिपकार्ट को भी यार स्टार्टअप बोलते हैं, ओला को भी स्टार्टअप बोलते हैं, बट वो ना बहुत मेच्योर कंपनीज है, वो स्टार्टअप नहीं है. So now it entirely depends. I would frankly suggest go work with a medium sized organization, not very, very probably. So again, don't work for a company here. Like I told you, work with a person. So if you think कि कोई बहुत ही तगड़ा बंदा जो 10 साल से या 2 साल से भी स्टार्टअप कर रहा है और वो बहुत ही अच्छा बंदा है, तो उसके साथ तुम काम करो. That's how you choose people. और if you see कि ओला कैब्स है, अब चलो ओला कैब स्टार्टअप नहीं है, but doesn't matter. If you really like the thoughts of a person on LinkedIn, follow people on LinkedIn. If you really like their thoughts, write into them कि मैंने आपका ये आर्टिकल पढ़ा, मुझे बहुत ही फाड़ लगा, मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगता है आप जो करते हो काम आपका, कि आप मार्केटिंग कर रहे हो, आप ये कर रहे हो, वो कर रहे हो, जो भी वो कर रहा है, फाइनेंस में अगर फाइनेंस कर रहे हो, ठीक है, स्ट्रैटेजी में अगर कंसल्टिंग कर रहे हो, तो आई वांट टू वर्क विद यू. So go approach people, right? And very frankly, it's about also knowing which companies are getting funded. So follow your story, follow different websites, right? And for example, like I think we've spoken enough about startups here, so we can come say to a finance or a consulting thing, right? So now what will happen is now okay, so we are going a bit beyond the topic. Obviously, like I recommend you to do more practical work than courses, but let's maybe get into courses a bit. So anybody has questions around what courses to do? So I am just reading the comments as well. BBA in branding, advertising, very holistic approach. We'll do one side course. Okay. Detailed background of yourself I've given. I'm preparing for IIT JEE. Okay. I have interest on finance tech. So yeah, sure. 12th class के बच्चे भी like, you can do a internship for sure. Or a side course. Brother, can we do courses from NSC, BSc? Okay. Live projects, data science, certification, MBA, marketing, startup. Okay. Network on LinkedIn. Is MBA necessary? Oh man, it's all sort of questions. People are asking about MBA as well. I don't think this is the session for MBA, guys. Uh, that's something we can cover sometime else. We have a session on MBA, by the way, on Sunday. So a lot of you have asked questions around MBA. That's not a side course, guys. That's a post graduation course. We have a session on Sunday for MBA, whether to do Indian MBA, foreign MBA, why to do an MBA, why not to do an MBA, everything. Now let's focus on side courses. So let's split it. Okay. So I see a lot of you are interested in finance, marketing, and such roles, right? So let's speak about finance, for example. Now there are a lot of courses in finance which are part-time and which are certification courses, right? So please don't do courses for certificates. For example, NCFM. Say you want to learn about stock markets or derivatives or futures options or anything in related to finance, right? Now NCFM courses are recommended by me from a perspective they are very good basics सीख जाओगे. लेकिन NCFM कोर्स एक होता है 2500 का, पैसे देने की जरूरत नहीं है. When you write in your CV that I have given NCFM, you can just write I have read all NCFM modules. You need not write I have cleared NCFM papers. If you can justify, if you can remember, obviously if you want to spend 2500, go ahead and give the exam and get a certificate. But if even if you don't want to, right, first learn. वो publicly available है, अगर तुम्हें नहीं मिले I can share it. I think most of you are in some or the other community groups that we have on WhatsApp, whether it be of consulting or finance. So you can ask me, you can DM me. If you don't have my WhatsApp number, you can go on the home screen of this app, click on feedback. You will directly get into my WhatsApp. So there's a feedback button. So there maybe you can ask me, or if you know Jatin from the community, you can ask Jatin, please. That would be better. So basically, now coming back to courses. So NCFM is recommended from me for finance, stock markets and all. And then there are tons of online websites, right? Like Varsity and stuff. Now if you go to Udemy or Coursera, there will be a lot of financial courses. So you can obviously browse through all courses. So on Coursera, it allows you to browse through different courses without paying money. So I don't know about NSSM. Somebody asked in the comments, because I think NCFM is better, but you can please do your own research. I don't know which one is better, frankly, but I think NCFM gives you good fundamentals. Okay. So one is that. Now in finance, you come into investment banking. So think, if you want to get into investment banking, what you need to learn, you need to know what is financial modeling. You have to be very very strong at Excel. So guys, if you don't know Excel, and when I say Excel, things like VLOOKUP, creating pivot tables, you can note it if you want. Creating pivot tables, VLOOKUP, general functions, these are very very simple. You can go to YouTube and learn, right? Or you can go to Udemy and do a course, a free course. But please learn Excel. And the next level of Excel will be financial modeling. So can you, for example, do DCF, which is like a discounted of, financial modeling. So again, all these things are available online for free, almost for free. Or maybe you get a 300 rupees course on Udemy. So Udemy, it comes out with frequent offers. जैसे अभी कोविड में चल रहा होगा कोई ऑफर, जहाँ पे वो अपना 10,000 का कोर्स 300 रुपए में बेचते हैं. तो 10,000 का तो कोई कोर्स मत करना गाइस. There is no course which is valuable of 10,000 in anywhere, right? Now coming to CFA. So CFA is a good step if you want to say get into investment banking. But CFA यार 80,000 रुपए लगते हैं, या पता नहीं 1 लाख रुपए लगते हैं फर्स्ट लेवल देने के लिए आफ्टर यू रजिस्टर, एंड देन सब्सिक्वेंटली यू हैव अ कॉस्ट. So again there are free CFA books. So I would highly recommend, why don't you first study and then register if you think you really need to give that exam, right? Like, because degree is important, but I would say you need not spend first and then learn first and then spend. That's how you should approach it. But CFA is a good course again to get insights into investment banking and finance. Now finance in general is very broad, guys. So finance में investment banking आता है, stock markets आता है, it could be an analyst job that you are doing. So right, there could be futures that you are trading in. Trading jobs होती हैं. Future First है एक company, you can check. So Future First is a company जिन stock markets वगैरह में है. So basically that's how it that finance works, right? Like, I think, have I broadly covered anything? So guys who are seated, do you have any questions especially related to finance? Yes, if you are in first year, you will understand these courses. These are very very basics. I'm going to take a 2-minute break, guys, if you have any questions. So see, data analytics पे किसी ने पूछा, it's a very good question. Yeah, C2, do you have a question? Okay, so PR, Praneeth has asked a question on data analytics. So, guys, can you hear me? Can somebody confirm? Don't write yes, yes, yes. Anybody who's online?
So we can hear you.
Yes, you're audible.
Yeah. Okay, perfect. So on data analytics, I think it's an important thing, but you should understand fundamentally data analytics है क्या. It's like कि बहुत सारा data है, उसमें तुम्हें insights निकालने हैं. So that starts with Excel. That extends to learning programming languages, right? So you can learn R. Then you can start learning Tableau for visualization. So these are skills which are valuable. So I would say what is more valuable, guys, like if you guys really want my suggestion is, like, become good at, become a good generalist, right? So try to understand different fields, try to have a point of view, right? So Power BI is better than Tableau, sure. Like, I'm not debating about what is better. I just suggested things like, Power BI or Tableau and stuff for visualization, right? So there is this thing called analytics where you first analyze. So Excel has its limit. Excel में एक बार में I think 10,48,000 rows से ज़्यादा नहीं आती. So उसके beyond, there are other tools like Alteryx, R, right? These which you can use. Then obviously you visualize these in things like Power BI and Tableau. So yeah, I think data analytics is good if you want to learn. But first, be strong at fundamentals. Learn Excel. Okay, guys. I haven't come here prepared or anything. I'm just thinking on the side. So I think Excel is very important skill to have. Presentations are very important. So for example, in a consulting firm, all you do is make presentations and PDFs, like for clients, right? So how you communicate your thoughts is very important. By presentation, I mean you have to learn how to write. So you should be very, very good at content writing in a way. And how do you learn content writing? By writing. There's no other way, right? You have to keep reading and writing, right? Everybody should have a habit of reading for an hour daily, whether you read online articles or you read an offline book, whatever you do. And then write. And then people think कि क्या लिखें क्या हम? तो just write what you read. So say you read a book, write it summary. You read an article, write it summary. You have some view in your mind, write about that. But write, right? Like now I'm covering skills that you really need, right? Like Excel, you need to read and write on say LinkedIn or Medium blog or something, right? And then I've covered the finance courses and analytics. I've told you can learn R and on. C2, do you have a question? Okay. Now probably let's get into marketing a bit. So marketing के यार side courses कुछ नहीं है. जैसे मान लो तुम्हें ऑनलाइन मार्केटिंग में क्या आता है. मार्केटिंग अगेन इज वेरी डाइवर्स, राइट? इट कुड बी B2C मार्केटिंग, इट कुड बी B2B मार्केटिंग. One market, so one of the most important things in marketing is content marketing, right? Like if you write good content that attracts people, and those people come in as leads to you. For example, say you run a company which sells what? Say you run a company which sells healthy drinks, right? Now, if you write articles on why you should not consume sugar, right? Because not a lot of people know that sugar is one of the most harmful things. So write a detailed article on that. 100 people will read. At the end of the article, you give a CTA and sell sugarless drinks. So you get customers for free if you do content marketing. So that is one level of marketing. So there are two marketing basically broadly, organic and paid marketing. So organic में content writing is one. Then obviously you can start creating good Canva posters. So Canva is very, very important skill. Again, you don't need a side course, but all of you should learn Canva. So Canva, Excel. Should I write down all these things? Like I think you should all know this. Blogging, writing. I'm just writing few things in the comments as well. So now where can we learn Canva? See guys, Canva is like मतलब क्या बोलूं मैं, जैसे WhatsApp पे तुम एडिट करते हो ना फोटोज, तुम क्रॉप करते हो, उस पर कुछ लिखते हो, है ना? ऐसी फोन पे मत खोलो. इट इज नॉट एन, डोंट यूज कैनवा ऑन फोन, प्लीज यूज इट ऑन लैपटॉप. इट इज अ टूल वेयर यू कैन इजीली क्रिएट पोस्टर्स. So what I would strongly suggest is now if we come to say paid marketing, अगर तुम्हें marketing सीखनी है, social media marketing, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, right? Instead of doing a 5,000 rupees or a 50,000 rupees course, start a website or a blog. You can make your own website using Wix in 10 minutes. Okay, Wix, and you can design posters using Canva, right? So the point is create say a blog, create a Facebook page and spend 1,000 rupees marketing it. You will learn more about Facebook marketing than you will learn by doing a course, right? So spend real $1,000 on doing ads. And how you do ads? You make a great poster using Canva. You write an excellent copy that attracts people, and you run ads. Currently, if you will run ads, the cost coming out is rupees 2 to 3 rupees per lead. By lead, I mean, say you create an ad ki I sell healthy drinks, and you put it in a interesting way, either a video or a photo on Instagram. It will get you one lead in 2 rupees, right? And that lead might fill a form, and then you can approach that person to do sales, right? So that's how you really learn, right? So basically, try and learn yourself, right? So when you go on Google, you can read articles on how to do Facebook, how to run Facebook ads, राइट. सो फेसबुक हैज दिस प्लेस कॉल्ड एड्स मैनेजर, जहां से इंस्टाग्राम के भी एड्स रन होते हैं. एक ही जगह से फेसबुक और इंस्टाग्राम दोनों के एड्स रन होते हैं. फेसबुक तो रिडंडेंट हो गया, बट इंस्टाग्राम एड्स आर अमेजिंग. गो लर्न हाउ टू डू इंस्टाग्राम एड्स फॉर फ्री using Google. If you want certain links, we can give you certain links on WhatsApp group. Okay, but go learn, right? So again marketing में like I told कि एक तो पेड मार्केटिंग हो गई. अब पेड मार्केटिंग में भी क्या है ना कि अगर तुम एक घटिया सा पोस्टर बनाओगे, उसमें ना कन्वर्जन 10 रुपए पड़ेगा तुम्हें. लाइक वन लीड विल कॉस्ट यू 10 रुपीज. अगेन conversions also matter a lot. It's a separate 1 hour discussion, but it could cost you 10 rupees as well. It could cost you 2 rupees as well. The idea is how attractive the photo or video is that you make. So learn things like that, right? So be good at writing and design thinking is very important. You should take a free course on design thinking on Coursera or Udemy or something. How to think, how to solve problems, right? Problem solving is very important. So these are the skills that you require. So we covered, I think, marketing, analytics, finance. What other things that you want? What are the other courses, side courses I can think of? एनसीएम होता है, मार्केटिंग, डिजिटल मार्केटिंग करते हैं लोग. और क्या करते हैं कॉमर्स में? Any questions you guys have? Now CA, don't treat CA as a side course, please. CA is a professional course. I am not going to discuss CA right now. Okay, we have separate sessions for that. Can you tell which other parts are more important than financial modeling? Somebody is asking. यार मतलब financial modeling, मतलब it's like what is more important? There is nothing more important. After you learn Excel and you understand finance, so how do you understand finance? Have you Chartify, Investopedia, for example? You should know all the terms of finance. You should know what a rate of return is. You should know what what is IRR, internal rate of return. You should understand how does interest rate work. You should understand how does compounding work, right? Compounding is the eighth wonder of the world, right? Law of compounding. So you should understand the basics first, and for that, that's important. Does maintaining our own blog is important? I think blog is not necessarily important, but writing is important. So you can probably go ahead and write on Instagram or LinkedIn or Medium or any place, or your own blog, anywhere. It's good enough. But just maintain a central repository so you can send in. So if you're going to do an internship, in finance, you can tell people that I have read all these things. So yes, documentation is very important. So what one mistake I made, guys, I read a lot in college. In first year, I read a lot in finance, but I never made notes initially, right? So that then you tend to forget. After 1 year, you will not remember anything. So take notes, write an article after you have read that, so that you can always refer to that. Now people are saying, writing and design, and can you explain design thinking? So design thinking is nothing but basically solving problems. And how do you solve problems? So structured approach of solving problems. जैसे आज अगर मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है, कोई एग्जांपल दो मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम का. 8 people are seated. Do you guys have any problem that you want to solve? Nobody is interacting, guys. I don't want this to be a monologue. I would really stop because I've been speaking a lot.
So,
Nobody who
nobody who
has any
has
problem.
any problem. So, I have a question.
Sure.
Sure. So, like, finance is only about stock markets or any other things also?
So I think I
So, I
covered
think
that,
I
right?
covered that, right?
If one of you can
If
mute
one of you
yourself,
can mute
Kushank,
yourself,
maybe if you can
Kushal,
mute
maybe
yourself.
you can mute yourself.
Okay, perfect. Kushank, if you're not speaking, please mute yourself. So seat number 3, I can't see your name. Please edit your name from the profile section. But to your question, finance has multiple fields. Like I told, investment banking is one. Stock markets is one. Again, stock markets is about trading in stocks. Then there are commodities that you can trade in. Then there are derivatives that you can trade in. Then there are fixed income securities that you can trade in. So finance is very broad, right? Like it consists of, like, what is finance? It is anyway any transaction that is happening. So on the investing side, right? And then there is like, do you like, then there is a buy side and a sell side when you get into investment banking. Sell side is you are basically so sell side investment bank basically helps other companies raise finance, right? So they can raise debt or they can raise equity, right? So you get into debt there. Then there is a buy side finance where as an investor I am deciding मैं debt में डालूं, equity में डालूं, mutual funds में डालूं. So it's very broad. It's not at all just stock markets. Did that answer your question?
Yes, Salam. Thank you.
Yeah. So, like now I was just talking about design thinking and problem solving. So somebody said, how do I increase my Insta following? That is an excellent problem, right? It's like कि मेरे को Insta following बढ़ानी है. अब ना, अब जैसे मैं अगर मैं इंटरव्यू लेता हूँ जैसे आजकल किसी का, तो मैं ये क्वेश्चन पूछूं अगर कि हाउ डू वी इंक्रीज इंस्टा फॉलोइंग ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर पेज, तो लोग ना ऐसे आइडिया देने लग जाते हैं कि ना हम कोई मार्केटिंग कर सकते हैं, मैं अपने फ्रेंड्स को इनवाइट कर सकता हूँ, हम कॉलेज की सोसाइटी से पार्टनरशिप कर सकते हैं. मतलब ना सीधा आंसर पे आ जाते हैं लोग, विच इज नॉट द आइडियल वे टू गो अबाउट प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग, राइट? First of all, understand the problem well. Now, if I were to answer this question as a interviewee, how do I increase my Insta following? First of all, I will ask why do I need to increase my Insta following? If you don't know the why behind something, you can't answer that fucking question, right? So ask, why do I need to increase my Insta following? Is it because I am a celebrity? Is it because I am a business? Is it because I want to sell something? Or is it because I want to create my own brand name? So that is the first question you ask. Why? Then you go on to ask, who's the person on the Insta page, right? What are the qualities of that person? Does that person do singing, or is that person into public speaking, or is that person into stock markets? So because you want to try and build your niche always. So if it is a person and you want to build a personal brand, you pick a particular niche that I want to excel in this thing. Then you start writing about that on your Insta profile. Say you are a food blogger, right? You are into food, right? You are a foodie. So then you click photos of food and start, and you just don't click photos. Then you do something different than others. So next, what I will go into after I have decided my niche, right? So this is a particular problem. पहले मैंने figure किया why, then I go into what, कि मेरी niche क्या है, ठीक है? अब मेरे को लगेगा how, right? Third step. So then I will say कि how can I be better than any other food blogger out there? How, or if I play guitar, how can be better than any guitar player outside? So then I get into that aspect कि भाई मैं उसको दूसरों से better differentiated कैसे हो सकता हूँ? Then how do I make posters which are better than anyone else on Canva? So that's how you go ahead and then build your Instagram following. So I hope that helped you understand how to problem solve on anything. So go in a very structured way, guys. Don't go in a haphazard way. Now somebody says I have a photography page, would love to sell my content. So before you sell, try to become. So somebody is making a background noise. Can that person please try and, I don't know, like it seems everyone was in a mute, but can you please leave the seat if there is any background noise in your background? Okay, thanks. So the photography page, right? So before thinking that I want to sell something, think what I can give to my audience. Always be a giver. Before asking for anything from somebody, always be a giver, right? So always people who are giver, read this concept. There is a concept called never the name, but on the power of giving. Like why should you be a giver versus a taker? So what happens is a lot of people I see students, they are like यार मेरे को ये चाहिए मेरे को वो चाहिए. Whatever in whatever capacity you have, help others without seeking anything in return. It will come back to you. So if you run a photography page and you think you are better in photography than 10 other people, right? Who are interested, say your juniors in college. So go to those juniors, tell them कि मैं तुम्हें फोटोग्राफी सिखाऊंगा. अब जब तुम 10 लोगों को फोटोग्राफी सिखाओगे ना, वो तुम्हें प्रमोट करेंगे इंस्टाग्राम पे. ठीक है. सो ट्राई एंड बिल्ड कम्युनिटीज, ट्राई एंड बिल्ड सम पर्सनल brand, right? Like try and help people, right? So do that and it will come back to you, right? And in the longer run. So if you run a photography page, now ask you why you are different than other photography pages. What is your niche? Do you push photographs of general people or do you put of natural beauty or whatever? I don't know photography as much, but get into the nuance कि तुम्हें किस niche पे focus करना है, and then start putting out content, and in future you can sell, right? So you can obviously run ads and sell, right? So there are certain things we can't cover right now, but there's a concept called ikigai. I'm just writing it down. You can read about it or you can WhatsApp me and I will share some links. So there's this concept called ikigai. I have spoken before about it, where you work at the intersection of what interests you, what pays you, what you are good at, and what the world needs. So you have to figure out what is that intersection. So it is important that even if you are interested in photography, but it is something that you are not very good at, and it is not something you think can pay you, then keep photography only as a passion and figure out what else would you do as a this thing. But obviously do what you love. So you will definitely have something or the other that you are genuinely interested in, and that will really that you are very good at also, that you are interested in also, that the world also needs, and that people will pay you money for. So find things at the intersection of these four things. Any questions? I wouldn't be able to speak more. I think I'm done from my end.
So,
Yeah, Nishant.
yeah, I'm first year student at Shahid Bhagat Singh College. Pursuing BCom honors. Am I audible?
Yes, go ahead.
Yeah. I have not yet found. I'm not yet clear about my career.
Mhm.
So I'm thinking whether to go for CA or for MBA, as I have a bit of interest towards finance,
Mhm.
but not sure whether to pursue it as my career, or shall I go for placements and find out more uh,
यार
feeling which I'm
अभी तो फर्स्ट
interested.
ईयर में हो. देखो ना, एक एक करके सोचो. तुम ना बहुत ही आगे का सोच रहे हो. मतलब तुम फर्स्ट ईयर में सोच रहे हो कि मैं एमबीए करूं या प्लेसमेंट्स में जाऊं. वो तो यार थर्ड ईयर में सोचना ना, मतलब या सेकंड ईयर के एंड में सोचना. अभी तुम्हें क्या सोचना है कि सीए करूं कि नहीं, इज अ वैलिड क्वेश्चन. ठीक है. तो अभी तुम देखो तुम्हें सीए क्यों करनी है, क्यों लगता है तुम्हें सीए करनी है.
Because to be more employable.
To be
Just
more employable. So you think only CAs are employable, all other people are stupid.
no, uh, I am not clear about any career option.
Sure. So that's what. Then you should explore other options. So, like I was saying when I started, right? There are things that you don't know that you don't know, right? And then you know things that you don't know. So right now, तुमने तो अभी second quadrant में ही नहीं पहुंचे हो. Where you know that you are yourself saying you don't know about fields. So go read about them, no? Right? So you should read about marketing. You should read about what are the types of jobs that commerce graduates can do, right? And CA is only one by hundredth of that, of the potential of jobs out there, right? Again, CA is a good field, of course, but now if you have to decide, so Nishant, do you want to decide if you should do CA or not?
Yeah, I'm thinking it at this moment because so as not to lose the time.
ओके सो हाँ तो क्या है ना कि जैसे तुम्हें ये सोचना है, ये प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट है, तो तुम क्या करो कि बेसिकली ये देखो कि सीए के बाद जॉब क्या होगी, क्योंकि तुम्हें 10 साल क्या करना पड़ेगा उसके बाद सीए के बाद, अगर तुम सीए करते हो, ठीक है, तो स्पीक टू अ सीए, ठीक है, वो क्या करते हैं, अकाउंटेंसी करते हैं, मतलब इट्स मोर अकाउंटिंग देन फाइनेंस, देयर इज अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस बिटवीन फाइनेंस एंड सीए बाय द वे, इज व्हाट आई फील, नाउ इट्स अ पर्सनल टेक प्लीज, ओके, तो इट्स मोर अबाउट अकाउंटिंग, लाइक ये अपना टैक्सेशन हो गया, आपका स्टैट्यूटरी ऑडिट हो गया, ये सब होता है जो थोड़ा सा बोरिंग लगता है मुझे फॉर एग्जांपल, बट कई लोगों को इंटरेस्टिंग लगता है, तो तुम ये देखो कि क्या तुम्हें वो काम इंटरेस्टिंग लगता है, और अगर नहीं पता तो करके देख लो, मतलब मैं कहूंगा सीए के ऑफिस में जाके बैठ जाओ 5 दिन, उसके बाद शुरू करो सीए करना, ठीक है, दिस इज अ मिस्टेक पीपल डू, सो पहले काम देखो, अगर अगर तुम्हें लगता है उसकी जगह मान लो तुम जाके बैठो एक मार्केटिंग बंदे के साथ जो मार्केटिंग करता है फेसबुक पे, अगर तुम्हें उसमें ज्यादा एक्साइटमेंट आ रहा है तो पहले वो कर लो, देर इज you have a lot of time in college, it's just that you need to spend it wisely.
So before starting anything, I must explore everything, and when
हाँ,
I'm sure, then
हाँ.
I should
अरे
go
you
forward.
you will never be sure bro, like I said in first year of college मेरे को भी फाइनेंस में बहुत इंटरेस्ट था, तो मैंने क्या किया, मैंने 1 साल फाइनेंस अंदर बाहर कर दिया, मेरे को सब पता था ऑलमोस्ट उसका, उसके बारे में, मतलब सब तो ऑब्वियसली किसी को नहीं पता होता, बट मेरी
Yeah.
कैपेसिटी में मेरे को जितना मैं कर सकता था आई डिड, आई वेंट टू कॉम्पिटिशंस, आई स्पोक टू पीपल, बट बिजनेस मार्केटिंग साइड पे, तो मेरे को उसमें भी इंटरेस्ट है, तो मैंने वो भी करा, तो एक्सप्लोर करने का मतलब ये नहीं है सिर्फ कि पढ़ लो उसके बारे में, करके भी देख लो उसको, जैसे ये तो बहुत ही नेचुरल है ना कि तुम फेसबुक पे अपना एक पेज क्रिएट करो, देखो लाइक डू यू गेट एक्साइटेड इफ यू गेट 10,000 फॉलोअर्स, एंड हाउ डू यू गेट देम, do you want to do that is the question, right? So ask yourself some questions and open to experiments, be open to experiments, go work with companies, do 10 internships per year, like colleges should be मतलब बिल्कुल खत्म कर देनी चाहिए क्लासेस, 6 6 महीने की 6 इंटर्नशिप होनी चाहिए कॉलेज में, बस मेरे हिसाब से.
Okay, thank you.
So, sir, can you just throw some light on resume building also?
Okay, yeah, I think last one left. So one guy really wants to know, Jasmeet Singh, that why did I quit Bain? Because he's asked that question 10 times, but I was answering other questions, Jasmeet. So you should have patience, please. So I quit Bain because I wanted to get into startups. It's a very simple reason, because last 2 years of my college, I had done my own startups, and I was very sure that I'm someone that who likes to do problem solving and build things ground up. I don't like doing things which have already been done before. I like doing something new, building something new, or in a much better way than it is happening currently. So that's something I realized over time in 3 years of college, which is what made me leave Bain and join Vibe, where I was last working. It's a education startup, and I also had interest in education space. So yeah, that's the answer to that. Now, quickly, 2 minutes are left. I think, how do you approach people and all? We keep having these sessions. So in case your questions are not answered, obviously I wouldn't be able to answer individual questions on WhatsApp, please. But we can do such sessions again in future. On resume building, yeah, again, it's all about a story. Everybody in the world likes a story, likes to hear a story. So think of resume as the story that you want to tell the other person, and keep only the very important things in that. Showcase what you like, and story need not be only professional. It should also cover what you like doing in terms of your hobbies, or hobbies converted into passion, and for that, right? Like you need to show that you are good, like you are really good, why you are better than others, because in these things, these are the things you tried, these are the things you did well. It should reflect your leadership skills, whatever. So it depends a lot. Yeah, resume building. Now, people in this room are from first year to third year. I do not like resume building as a separate session altogether. So I think let's keep that to some other time.
So
Sure, I can send I can send in a resume template if you remind me on the comment.
hello sir.
Yeah, Kushank.
सर जैसे आजकल ऑयल प्राइसेस क्रैश हो गए हैं पर ये फ्यूचर में ट्रेड होते हैं तो न्यूज वाले इसको इतना बड़ा चढ़ा के क्यों बता रहे हैं नेगेटिव चला गया फ्री में पेट्रोल मिलेगा
यार मतलब बिल्कुल
Can
बात
you
कर
throw some
सकते
light on
हैं
it?
अभी इससे रिलेटेड नहीं है and I think 1 minute is left. So I think people are here to listen about side courses. We can of course do that discussion, Kushang, but just 45 seconds are left. So guys, thank you so much. Like I think it was a good session. A lot of you asked questions is what I liked because I didn't want it to be a monologue. But hopefully it helped you broaden your perspective into what you should do. That was my goal versus any specific thing. But if you have specific questions, we can do that again. Like you did ask a lot of questions. So thank you so much. Whatever questions were not taken, you can put on the community group and we can try and take them later in future sessions. Alright guys. Bye. Hope it helped. Bye.